hungry. Vegetables, yogurt. Boring! You know, it's 11 at night and I got the Munchies. So yeah, I've decided to go downstairs to this place called Jen Wei Yao, I think it's called. Something to do with like flavorful food or something like that. They wouldn't let me film inside the shop, so so basically it's a whole load of like stuff on a stick, and then they deep fry the shit out of it. It's kind of like China's equivalent of like a fish and chip shop. I'm hungry, you know, so I'm gonna try some of this out. I have no idea what this is. It's like white chicken balls or something. It's not chicken balls, I think, but it's something meaty without, I have no idea. Tastes a bit weird, kind of spicy. Oh, not off to a good start. So, kitchen roll. Coke. 0. You know, because I'm on a diet. Meat on a stick. Awesome. I don't know what this is. Strawberry, vanilla and chocolate flavour ice cream is probably half melted by now. These things, they kind of look like the same packaging as Oreos, but, well, to be honest with you, they're not Oreos. Okay, so these chicken ball things, not a huge fan. Not a huge fan. No idea. Let's see. Okay, chicken. Mmm. Ooh, yum. It's got like, I don't know, it's like kind of noodle stuff wrapped around it and deep fried. Next, okay, it looks like we've got some more meatball things. I have no idea. Oh, I don't know what that is. Okay, it's grease. Okay, a little bit spicy. It's got like, I think it's pork or something in the middle, surrounded by this like meaty sort of beefy meat thing. It's okay, better than this white one, I might add. This box of meat, £2.50. This little tub of ice cream cost £1. These biscuits, they cost 40 pence. Decent. Okay, moving on. Okay, I think I've tried this. In fact, I have tried this before. This is just deep fried dough. Oh, they're really good. Moving on. This one here. This is definitely beef. Oh yeah. Oh, that's so good. Okay, I don't know what this is. Looks like beef. It's kind of dark and meaty. Okay, that's kind of fishy, but it does not have the texture of fish. That's weird. It's nice, but there's some kind of fish going on in that one. Guys, it's a sausage on a stick. It's probably pork. Oh my god. Do you know those spare ribs you get at the British Chinese shops? Imagine that flavour, but in a sausage on a stick. Okay. I'm pretty full, but I'm not finished. Totally not finished. Okay, I have no idea what that says. Oh, they smell good. Oh yeah, biscuits of choice from now on. Oh, look, it breaks like an Oreo. Oh my god. Okay, let's have a look at the ice cream. Little spoon on the top there. Boop boop. Kind of small though. My kind of spoon. Can you see that? Okay, it's not bad. It's no Ben & Jerry's, I can tell you that. But it's not the type of thing I buy very often. I'm eating the ice cream too quickly. I don't care. I'll go. Well, guys, that's the end of this video. That's me on the midnight munchie session for some Chinese deep fried meat. Is the best way I can describe it. With some yummy biscuits and some ice cream. So yeah, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the flip side. Bye! Smile.